Do you feel like your tiny bedroom is always running out of space and style? What if I told you that with a few smart hacks, you can make it look bigger, cozier, and more functional without spending a fortune? Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into practical and creative ways to decorate small bedrooms. If your room feels cramped or cluttered, don't worry, these tips will help you transform it into a beautiful, organized space that truly feels like home. A tiny bedroom simply means a room with limited floor space, usually under 120 square feet. The challenge is maximizing function and style without overcrowding. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Use vertical space by adding floating shelves for books, plants, and decor. 2. Choose multifunctional furniture like a bed with storage, drawers, or a foldable desk. 3. Use mirrors to create the illusion of a bigger room. 4. Stick to light wall colors to reflect more light. 5. Add soft lighting with wall sconces or string lights instead of bulky lamps. Tools explained. You'll need basic tools like a drill for shelves, measuring tape for planning furniture layout, a level for mirror placement, and small storage baskets to organize items neatly. Quick tips: go for underbed storage bins to hide clutter. Use curtains that hang higher than the window frame to make ceilings look taller. Limit your color palette to 2 or 3 tones for a clean and spacious feel. Cost comparison: floating shelves cost around $25 to $50 depending on size. A bed with built-in drawers costs about $250 to $400, while a standard bed without storage is usually $150. Large wall mirrors range from $50 to $120, but they save you from investing in bigger furniture pieces. Workflow: plan your layout. Measure the available space. Choose furniture that doubles as storage. Install shelves and mirrors. Then add lighting and final decor pieces. Professional notes: interior designers recommend starting with decluttering before buying anything new. Small bedrooms should focus on functionality first, style second. Always measure twice before purchasing furniture to avoid fitting issues. So remember, maximize vertical space. Choose multi-purpose furniture. Use mirrors and lighting strategically, and keep your design simple yet stylish. Even the tiniest bedroom can feel spacious and cozy with the right approach. If you found these hacks helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more smart home ideas, and share it with someone who's looking to transform their small bedroom.